Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary. The all-new 2026 Ferrari F80. The name itself commands attention. And the moment you lay your eyes on it, you realize this isn't just another Ferrari. This is the future of Italian performance, design, and engineering perfection. The F80 is Ferrari's bold statement for what hypercars should look and feel like in the modern era, blending advanced hybrid technology, lightweight engineering, and a design that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's start by taking in the sheer presence of this car. The exterior design of the 2026 Ferrari F80 is absolutely breathtaking. It's as if Ferrari sculpted wind and speed itself into a physical form. Everything about it screams precision and purpose. The front end is sharp, low, and aggressive, with ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a predatory stare. Ferrari's designers have completely reimagined the aerodynamic profile, using active aero elements that adjust in real time to maximize downforce or reduce drag depending on how the car is being driven. The massive air intakes on the front and sides aren't just for show. They feed air directly into the twin-turbo hybrid powertrain and help cool the high-performance braking system. The rear of the F80 looks like it came from a jet fighter. The exhaust pipes sit high, centered beneath a futuristic diffuser that looks like it could slice the air in half. The taillights are minimal and razor-thin, emphasizing the car's width and stance. One of the most remarkable things about the F80's design is how aerodynamic efficiency is built into every inch. Ferrari used carbon fiber extensively, making the car not only lightweight but also incredibly rigid. The result is a design that's both functional and absolutely stunning. A car that could sit in a museum, yet still dominate any racetrack in the world. Now step inside the 2026 Ferrari F80, and you're instantly reminded why Ferrari interiors feel like command centers more than cockpits. The cabin is minimal, focused, and driver-oriented to the core. Everything inside has been designed to enhance the connection between human and machine. The steering wheel houses most of the main controls, from drive modes to indicators, so the driver never has to take their hands off it. Behind it sits a fully digital display that changes its layout depending on the driving mode, giving real-time data like battery performance, torque delivery, and aerodynamic status. The materials inside are pure Ferrari, Alcantara, carbon fiber, aluminum, and leather stitched with exquisite craftsmanship. The bucket seats are lightweight, yet provide supreme comfort and support, designed to hold you tight when cornering at extreme speeds. Even though this is a hypercar, Ferrari hasn't ignored modern comfort. You'll find subtle ambient lighting, a state-of-the-art sound system, and an advanced infotainment screen that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But make no mistake, the F80's interior is not about distraction, it's about immersion. Every control, every dial, every touchpoint feels purpose-built to remind you that you're piloting one of the most powerful machines on Earth. Speaking of power, let's talk performance, because this is where the 2026 Ferrari F80 truly becomes something out of another world. Under that sculpted body sits a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an advanced hybrid electric system. Combined output around 1,200 horsepower. That's right, 1,200 horses working together to deliver mind-bending acceleration. Ferrari claims the F80 can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.0 seconds flat, making it one of the quickest cars ever created. Top speed? A staggering 230 miles per hour. Ferrari has borrowed heavily from its Formula One technology for this masterpiece. The hybrid setup uses two electric motors, one driving the front wheels for instant torque, and the other assisting the V8 engine for maximum efficiency and performance. The F80's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, and the car's dynamic control systems continuously adapt to optimize traction, handling, and stability in every condition. The chassis has been designed with Ferrari's latest carbon tub technology, ensuring maximum rigidity while keeping the weight impressively low. The suspension setup features adaptive dampers that read the road surface and driving inputs every millisecond, adjusting instantly to deliver the perfect ride balance. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or a high-speed circuit, the F80 responds like an extension of your own instincts. Ferrari's engineers have also made great strides in blending electric power with traditional combustion. The electric mode alone can offer a few miles of silent, zero-emission driving, perfect for city cruising or early morning starts when you don't want to wake the entire neighborhood. But the moment you switch into race mode, the car transforms into a roaring beast, unleashing all 1,200 horsepower in perfect harmony. The sound of that V8 mixed with the whine of electric motors creates a futuristic symphony that sends chills down your spine. Now let's talk about the driving experience. The 2026 Ferrari F80 feels unlike anything else. It's agile, insanely fast, and yet incredibly stable thanks to the active aerodynamics and advanced traction systems. When you push the accelerator, the response is instant. The car launches forward with ferocity, but remains completely composed. The steering is razor-sharp, giving you precise feedback on every corner. Ferrari has managed to make a car this powerful still feel controllable and balanced, which is an engineering achievement in itself. The braking system is equally impressive. Carbon ceramic brakes bring the F80 to a halt from high speeds, with unbelievable force and consistency. Even after repeated hard stops, there's no fade. Every part of this car has been designed for performance, precision, and perfection. And yes, all this comes at a price. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to start around $2.8 million, depending on options and customization. But let's be honest, this car isn't just transportation. It's a work of art, a statement, and a glimpse into the future of performance. Ferrari plans to make the F80 in extremely limited numbers, meaning owning one will be like holding a piece of automotive history. So, who is the Ferrari F80 really for? It's for those who don't just want speed but perfection. It's for the few who crave the ultimate driving experience, something that blends technology, design, and power into a masterpiece that few will ever even see in person. The F80 represents Ferrari's vision of what comes next, a balance between electrification and raw combustion power, between sustainability and performance, between tradition and the future. To sum it up, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is more than just a car. It's the evolution of Ferrari's soul. It's a technological marvel wrapped in beauty and passion. From the way it looks to the way it drives, to the sound it makes, everything about the F80 pushes the limits of what's possible in the automotive world. So that's the full look at the all-new 2026 Ferrari F80, the hypercar that's rewriting the rules of performance and design. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more reviews like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay passionate, stay driven, and I'll catch you in the next one.